Okay, what we're going to do is make a spreadsheet for coin collecting. Now you can do this for home inventory or anything like that, but I'm going to name this the first cell. We open up Outlook, Excel is book one, that's what it comes up as. And this is Excel 2010. So 2007 should have all the basic functions, except for when I'll point out the difference. So anyway, I'm going to name this my coin collection. Okay, and I hit the enter button to move down. I'm going to go down one thing. I'm going to add flying eagle cents. And what I really like to see when I'm in here, okay, yeah, we can say flying eagle cent, but as I get older, I might not know what that looks like. So I think over in this area, I'm going to go and hit insert. I want to put a picture in there. Okay, I'm going to go to my external hard drive. I'm going to go to my coins. Let's see where I got coins. Where is it? I got to find my coins. My coin collector. There we go. Coins. It's right smack in front of me. All right, pennies. We have flying eagle cents right here. So that looks like probably the better one right there. So that's kind of big. We're going to shrink that down. Drag it up here. Shrink it down some more, because all we need is just that little thing. I can go into photo editing software and just cut out that little the coin itself rather than have this whole picture here. But that's actually pretty good because it has the date and everything on it too. So we know that we have a 1958. And I'm going to stick this up right about, I don't know, right about there. We'll start our data down here. So we're going to put a year. Okay, so we're going to say the year goes here. All right. The mint, it might be S for San Francisco, D for Denver, and there's other ones for the older coins. The grade, all right, graded by, if that's applicable. I think I'm going to make that a little. I'm going to grab this and move it over because I want that to be a little bit bigger. Okay, over here is put maybe a cost. What it cost you, and then the current value. And over on this far end, we'll put down notes. All right. I would like all these should be kind of bold. So I'm going to grab one, hold down the shift and arrow over, and I'm going to click on bold up here. I like those to be centered too. So while it's still highlighted, I'm going to hit center. All right. That's pretty cool. Now if I come down here, let's say we have 1958. I'm sorry, that's 1858. 1858. Okay, there's no mint. It would be up on top. All right. The grade, it says VF20. So VF very fine 20. All right. It's not graded at all. I have no idea what the cost was. I probably found this in the roll, so I'm going to say 0.01. Now see, that automatically comes up with 0.01. But if I put in here that it was 0.04, I don't know. Let's worry about that one. 0.01, 1 cent is good. The value, I have not a clue right now what the value of this. The notes here is small lettering. Small letters is up on top. Small letters. Okay. So I like that to be a capital. So I moved over there. I'm going to hit enter. See, it's outside the box. So we can make that box a little bit bigger. All right. So now these are not centered. So what I want to do is I want to make, I'm going to come up here. I'm going to grab this and keep my mouse down as I'm going over, and I want to center this whole thing. Okay. Now notice that these two ran off. So I'm going to come up to this one. I want this to stay over there. This guy, I would like to highlight all these because I know that's my furthest field. and I want to merge these cells together and put that right in the note. I like that to be bold too, kind of big. It's my coin collection. That's why. All right, so we have right now is a flying eagle cent. We have a picture of that flying eagle cent. We have this in here. Now let's go down here and I'm not saying I have this coin, okay? So 1860. Okay, and let's say that it's a, I don't even know if they have a D, right? Let's say it's VF20 also, and we're not worried about so much about the value is 1 cent. Okay, that's fine. Now, if I want to insert something in there, let's say I got a 59. I want to right click, insert, and we come down here to, now let's check this out. Let's see if this works. If you grab this little arrow and pull it down, nope, it keeps it the same. If you grab an arrow, you make that box, and you grab this and you pull it down, watch what happens. Let's see if it changes. It stays all the same. Boy, it made a liar out of me. I'm going to hit undo on that. All right, undo is great. We can hit undo again and it changes that out. So you just saw me do some things, experiment. You can say experiment all you want to. I mean, I just remember there's an undo button there, okay? So I'm not worried about putting all that data in. What we're going to do is come down and put the next one in this evolution, okay, is the Indian head set. Indian head set. Now, okay, we want to take this, we want to move that over. We want to throw a picture of the Indian head set in there. All right, in fact, I want to move this down one, I think. What I'm going to do is just insert a, I want to move that down. I didn't copy, paste, or anything like that. To get rid of that little broom there, hit escape. That didn't work either. Keep the format, okay, whatever. So I do know what I'm doing, believe it or not. Okay, I'm going to insert a picture. Okay, I'm going to take an Indian head. This is a double die Indian head, double die also. I wonder if they're the same ones. 83 and 83. Okay, I like just the picture though. That's good. Okay, we're going to take that. I wonder if I have two of the same pictures on that drive. Okay. So I'm going to make that small. So make it a little smaller. Okay, so that's why I think what I'll do eventually is go to photo editing and just cut them out. Because I do like that a lot better because it takes up a lot less space. So see how this goes underneath and that picture is above, which is pretty cool. So so in here, not really sure off the top of my head when the Indian heads came about, but I think, let's see, 1909 is the first Lincoln, so I'm going to say 1945. No, 1909. How about 1906? I know for a fact 1906 is an Indian head. Backspace. That's all I'm doing is backspacing. No grade. I mean, no mint. I don't think there was a mint on those guys. Okay, we'll say a G4. That's a type of grade. Graded by, okay, cost, I got it out of a roll of pennies. Alright, value, I'm sure it's worth a lot more. This 1906, we're going to say that it's a double die, DD, and it's on the front of the coin, so obverse. Alright, so that would be our little note there. That would be credited to that value, because if it's double die and it's in the book, okay, let's say for example, if we have Lincoln sets, we come down here, about right there, Lincoln sets. Hope I spelled that right. Okay, and now we're going to add another picture. So pictures here. We are going to, we have pennies. So we have Lincoln cents here. Do we have one by itself? There's one. That's a nice big picture. So we're going to shrink this down. Scroll down and grab it. Shrink this down. Not a very good picture though. It looks like through a magnifying glass. I do better pictures than that now. That's old picture. Okay, so those right there, and it gives me the usable field right here. So now in the 1955 time frame, there's many of coins that I'm sorry, we're talking a lot about coins. 1955 had a double die. Okay, now I can't see the mint, and we can make drop down windows here too if we want, but it's a regular. There's no mint mark to it. We're going to say that this is a about uncirculated 50. All right, not graded by anybody. I found it in a roll, and it's worth $800. Now watch this. It comes up to $800. These fields, in this field right here, you want this to be a dollar value. So I hit the dollar value over here. Okay, this field over here, I want it to be a dollar value. So now within the dollar value, we can say, hey, we want that zero in front or not. But I like the zero being in front, that you're sure that it's only worth with 1 cent. Now we're going to say this is a DD of verse. In the book, that's the real value of that coin. So this shows you how to actually insert pictures, move your data around. What I like is we're going to take this right here. All right, we're going to put borders around it. So we like borders there, and this part right here, we're going to insert here. I'm going to take this. Now we got to remember we're going over the G from A to G. We're going to take this and copy it. We're going to put it down here. And we have to be the same amount. We can't be different. And paste. Now, if you put your mouse over that, there are different things here. Got to pay attention because this is a Windows. This is a Microsoft Office 10 feature. Okay, I want to insert. All right, now we already have the copy and paste there, so we're going to right here and paste. Oh, you know what? It took it out, so we need to go up and grab it again. So right here, copy and paste. Right there. That's what I want to be, just like everything else. So as we move down, we can see all this stuff. So as I make it bigger, to get rid of that, hit escape. That worked. Okay. So now your flying eagle scent over here, you may want to make that a different color, so we're going to drag this down. And in 10, I think 7 did the same thing. As I move over this, you see the characters change. And you know, I like something a little bit more flashy, I think. Okay, we're going to do that. I want to show you something else too. Let's see. If we take, that's highlighted. See, we're making as I move over this, it does things. I think 7 did the same thing as this. So I want to make it a little like a green. I like the green there. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Make that green. Same thing here. You need to cover both of these. Make that green. If we merge these cells right here, it would do the same thing. In fact, when you merge the cells, you don't see that line. See that line that goes right down in the head? So we can go ahead and merge the cells. And we take this and merge the cells. Now it puts that's centered. We can actually center this guy. We're not moved over on the bottom. I wonder why that doesn't center like these. Ah, you know what? It's not merged together. Let's merge it, and now they're centered. See? See, even a novice like me, I'm not an expert, I'm a novice, does the same thing. So we're going to say this is number 2 on the spreadsheet. I'm going to build this up quite a bit. And so if we want, we can put totals down here. I'll do some formulas with you too. So we're going to say this is Excel version 2, or second one of Excel. All right. Enjoy and share. Bye.